Hi, today we are going to make slime. As you can see, I've got many slimes on my sides in rainbow order. I just love rainbows. So the ingredients. First, you're going to need some glue. If you want, you can put it some color. I'm just going to do purple and red. Baking soda. My baking soda is inside this little box. It is so little. And if you want it to be fluffy slime, you're gonna need shaving cream. Foamy cream is has the best result. I just have the gel version. And to get your slime together, you're gonna need eye contact or borax. I'm using eye contact. I peeled off the sticker on it. First, we are going to pour in some glue. I'll just pour it in like this. That should be enough. There. Then we're gonna add a little bit of baking soda, like 2 fingerfuls. Next, we are going to mix it very well. If it doesn't mix very well, then the baking soda will stop it from stretching, and it will come out more like like hardened clay. So I'd rather you mix it very, very well. Mixing and mixing. Then I'm gonna add my colors. Okay, 2 drops. That should be enough. Then I'm gonna mix it. Ooh, beautiful color. And a dark one. It came out like a dark, like a jam color. Very satisfying. Ooh, jam color. I should call this raspberry jam. Keep mixing. As if you were mixing the mix for a cake. See? Then, after it's mixed very, very well, I'm gonna add a few drops of this. It's my eye contact so my slime can get together. Oof, it's starting to get together. So now that I'm done mixing my slime, I put on my glasses to see better. I am gonna take it out. Oof. Ooh, so pretty. I'm trying to take it off the popsicle stick. Because this popsicle stick was from an actual popsicle. And that was almost the only popsicle stick I had, so I just used this. Oh, look how beautiful it came out. Usually it'd be bigger, but I'm running out of glue here. But it's pretty nice. Came out like a marmalade color. And I'm gonna add this little llama. So now the llama's in here. So I remember this video is about how to make fluffy slime. So, oops. So I'm gonna put this back in the container and take my shaving cream. This shaving cream is gonna turn into foamy shaving cream after you mix it. Right now it's gel. This is gonna take a few minutes. If it starts falling apart when you add the shaving cream and start mixing it, it's okay. It's very normal. But if you mix it like with your hands, like start mushing it like this, then it'll just be a fail. Now I'm mixing some slime into some shaving cream. Mixy, 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 mixy. The shaving cream turned out to be big. So now it might take a few minutes. Da, 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 da. This is taking a long time. Ooh. Keep mixing, keep mixing. See, look, now it's starting to come out. Ooh, my fingers are dirty. I'll wash them. Come on out, you beautiful slime. Oof. I am gonna have to work on where I put my fingers. Oof, it's starting to get together now. Yay, it's starting to get together. If it takes a long time, it's okay. And now my fingers are sticky. My fingers are very sticky. Ah no, why did I do that? Ugh. My fingers are sticking together. If you do not want to do this because of how messy you can get, I'm fine with that. If you don't want, like, getting messy, I'm totally fine with that, but as you can see, it's coming back together. Let me just take this off. And you know what? I'll just do it after. Ugh. I think that's about done. Oh, it's sticky. I'm gonna need a napkin. I'll be back with a napkin. Okay, here's my napkin. Keep kneading, keep kneading. See how it's getting used to my skin because of my kneading? I'm gonna have to put you on top of a napkin too. And look, it came out a very beautiful lightish purple. I'm loving this. Do do do. So much slime got stuck in here. I think it just got bigger. The table is not getting messy. That's good. Oh look, it's not much on my hand now. Yeah, I got more slime in here. So this is faster. Yeah, and that's the last of the slime. My slime is very awesome. It came out beautiful, and it really changed color. This video was dedicated to my friend Monse. I hope she really loves this video, and I hope she's happy for me. and if you like this video, give me a like. Here's my slime as a result. Oh, the sound. Oops. And if you want to see more how to make slime videos, I don't know if I'm gonna make other different types of slime, but I maybe will. So hit subscribe and hit the bell button. Thanks for watching. Bye. Yes.